Sweet Jeebers, YouTube. Whiskey Throttle here, back with the money truck. What's up, y'all? And welcome back. I got this here box in the mail. And I'm wondering if I open it, if I'm gonna get, you know, if the blowjob's gonna come out. Hell, it ought to for the price they are, but let's take a gander. Oh my fuck. They give me a big old sticker. Look at that unit. Big old R. I don't know how that means. Oh, maybe that's a K? I'm not sure how that means Kyrptonite, but righto. Old death grip tie roddus. Holy fuck. Dear God. These are some girthy ass units right here. Good God. I got big paws and these bitches are girthy as hell. Alright, I got one strap in the mail and sons of bitches only sent me one, so I'm waiting until Saturday till the other one arrives, unfortunately. Looks like this weekend we might be able to do some test and tuning on some digs, boy. Golly, good night. Holy shit. No wonder why they're lifetime warranty. I mean, look at my fist. Yeah, it's bigger than that, but still. Holy shit. Alright guys, I'm a little blown away. This is a pretty fucking stout setup here. I'll see y'all Saturday. And boy, do I have some things to show y'all. So I'm kind of mad right now. Amazon sent one strap when I ordered two. You know, I gave them an earful, and they said this Saturday the next strap will be arriving. It's kind of bullshit, but at least we'll get to check fitment with our new clevis fucking bolt setup and seeing if we can make it pick up on the bottom of the shock. We also got these here Girth Brooks units. Might need those where we're going. Look at these units. Alright, so you got the old tie rods that were beefier than new tie rods, and you have the Kryptonite tie rods. Good God. Look at that. All that meat. Oh.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yeah, that's right. I got a lifetime as a table. On a table. Just know about that. Okay guys, we're gonna slap these sons of bitches in. Do a little string alignment or whatever the fuck those instructions were trying to say. And do a little bit of tuning. You know, if we get that far. And maybe a test hit or two. Sounds like it's gonna storm. We'll see what we get. Alright, let's start with these here straps. First thing we need to do is make sure that this bolt hole can get picked up by the bolt in the shock. Well shit, start battling things. And you win some, you lose some. Gonna have to hunker down and check the radar and see what the fuck this is all about. I don't know, you know, this could be a 10-minute fucking little storm. Could also be a 3-hour long downpour. Check up the radar and hunker down in the beater. God dang. There really is no point tonight because I'd just be laying in mud, so don't really feel like laying in mud and dodging lightning per se. I've been a good person for the majority of my life, but Something about lightning. I don't like it. So tomorrow morning we will get on it, but the good news is the straps are going to work out. Holy shit. Oh yeah, fuck yeah. Oh shit.